Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of display on the application of Gmail. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above here you will search for Gmail. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In this page you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.